Now let's move on to choosing your own theme for your website. Again, go to your dashboard, go to customize your store, and click choose template. There are many options for you to choose from if you want a sporty theme, if you want basic theme, if you want fashionable. It's up to you, whatever you prefer. So you click on the theme you choose, and then you have the option to preview. So you can see if you want it or if you don't like it. You can select more and more. So once you're selected or once you're decided what theme you want, just click on that and then apply. And then if you want to see how it looks, just go to visit store, and that's it. You can see the new look of your website. Now right next to the choose template on your customize your store section is the add logo or slider. Again, go to your dashboard, or you also have the option to do that on the menu bar. Now click on the add logo or slider and then upload a photo. Just make sure that the photo has a good quality for it to be better looking once it's uploaded or once you view your website. Now once your logo is uploaded, you have the option to adjust it, adjust the thumbnail so it's better looking on your website. Now you can also add slider, and again make sure that you upload only high quality photo. Now to upload the photo to your slider, just click add slider. You can put the title and the description and then close. Now once you go back beside the add slider, you will see your sliders. So you click on the main slider you want to add it, click on the pencil, edit, and then you have the option to choose and upload image for that specific slider. And then wait for it to automatically save, and it's done. Again, you can visit the visit store so you will see the new look of your website.